Have a good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Jovelyn Salmasan. I'm 43 years old, married, and I have 3 children, aged 18, 16, and 14. I am high school graduate. I have experience as a domestic helper in Singapore for 2 years. The house is condo. I serve 3 family members, a couple elderly, age 70, 75, and 1 adult, age 35. I'll do all household chores like cleaning the house, marketing, ironing, cooking, laundry, washing dishes, and mopping. Mom and Sir, if you will hire me, I will do my responsibilities with love and dedication. I hope I will be part of your family. I will treat your family as my own family. I am motivated, honest, hardworking, and I am committed working diligently to secure a better future to my children. Thank you so much.